Finding intercepts. So just like with linear equations and quadratic equations, just in general, finding intercepts. To find the x-intercept, substitute 0 in for y and solve for x. To find the y-intercept, substitute 0 in for x and solve for y. So we'll look at a few examples of equations that might be different from what we've seen in class. Example 1. Y squared equals x plus 9. So the x-intercept, remember we're putting 0 in for y, so 0 squared equals x plus 9, or 0 equals x plus 9. Subtracting 9 from both sides, x equals negative 9. So our x-intercept is negative 9, 0. To find the y-intercept, remember we're substituting 0 in for x this time. So y squared equals 0 plus 9, or y squared equals 9. Square rooting both sides, we get y equals plus or minus 3. So there are two y-intercepts here. So we have 0, 3 and 0, negative 3. So one x-intercept and two y-intercepts. Let's look at a second example. Y equals negative x cubed over x squared minus 9. For the x-intercepts, remember we're substituting 0 in for y. So 0 equals negative x cubed over x squared minus 9. Let's multiply both sides by x squared minus 9. We get 0 equals negative x cubed. Divide both sides by negative 1. We get 0 equals x cubed. Cube root both sides, 0 equals x. So we have one x-intercept, 0, 0, which will also be the y-intercept, or at least one of them. Let's see if there are others. So y-intercepts, remember we're substituting 0 in for x. So y equals negative 0 over 0 squared minus 9, or y equals negative 0 over negative 9, or y equals 0. So note our only y-intercept is 0, 0, so there's just one intercept, which is both the x and y-intercept.